Hey you guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'll show you how to use hyper-personalization for your LinkedIn outreach on automation. That means we'll be sending a personalized image with the member's profile picture in it as a LinkedIn message to thousands of people on automation. The transcript for the video is on my blog. The link is in the description. Personalization is not just about changing names. In fact, in my AI for Marketing course, we learn how to use AI for hyper-personalization. Big brands already leverage hyper-personalization to drive key metrics. Netflix changes the ad image in real time based on what user watched on their platform. Cadbury did this amazing campaign just recently wherein they promoted 1800 local stores. Their video ad showed local stores as per the viewer's pin code on YouTube in real time. Imagining how you could do that? Well, it's pretty simple to do once you know about it, and you must do it for your business. Today, I'll show you a tool called HyperEyes. It's a very cool tool. We will use it for image personalization, but you can do so much more with the tool. You can personalize your videos, images, website, emails, and even your ads. Yes, for ads and videos, you'll have to do some further integrations. I'll probably cover them in my upcoming videos. Today, let me show you how to do LinkedIn outreach on automation. So remember, for any kind of hyper-personalization, you need data. For LinkedIn outreach, we can scrape their LinkedIn profiles to gather that data. We can use Phantom Buster to collect their names, profile image, business name, company website, and a lot more. Once we have their data, we can send them personalized images as a message. We can embed their profile picture or any other data that we have. Okay, so what all do we need to do this? First, a HyperEyes account. It's our main tool for image personalization. Second, access to your website files, so you could personalize your website or your landing pages. For this video, we'll use WordPress. Third, a Google Sheet with data. To fill up the Google Sheet and for sending messages, we will use Phantom Buster. Okay, so let's begin. Just sign up with HyperEyes. From the dashboard, click on Image option. We will design the image from this canvas. We can import our own designed image. We can also use the library for getting images. This is the image template that we will send as a LinkedIn message. Let's personalize the image by embedding the user's profile picture in the image template. We will also include their first name. Now the image is ready, let's save it. We could include a lot more like their website, logo, business name, skills on LinkedIn, etc. But for now, let's launch the image campaign. Then it will ask you, do you want to link the campaign with a website landing page? Since we want to link it, we will hit yes. Put your landing page link. Then it will ask you, do you want to enable reverse IP lookups? We can say no, as we will collect our own data from LinkedIn. Then we can click on finish, as we are not personalizing email for now. We are done here. Now the next step is to personalize our landing page. First, we need to paste the HyperEyes snippet to the website or the page that you want to personalize. Under the Hyper campaign section, you will get the option to add snippet to your website. Click on it, copy the code. Once you paste it, you can also verify from here. We can paste the code through their plugin. Let's install it. The plugin will also help us edit the OG tags to generate personalized preview inside the LinkedIn message. Okay, so let's create our OG tags. We need to put the image hash, which we can find from the image link in our HyperEyes account. You will find it between I// and /sheet. Copy it and then paste it in the plugin. Then create your title and description. Use parameters to personalize your title and description, like I'm using first name parameter, but you could use a lot more. Then to save changes in WordPress, click on Update. Next, we need to install the HyperEyes Chrome extension. Install it from this link. It is there on my blog. Once installed, head on to the page you want to personalize. Like for this video, I'll go to a sample AI for Marketing webinar landing page that I have created. Now click on the HyperEyes Chrome extension. Please note, the way you want to design your page is to keep a sample image on your landing page, which you will replace with the image created in HyperEyes. For now, I will replace the sample template with the HyperEyes image. We can also personalize the text. Just click on it, and then you could embed their name or business name or their website or their logo or any other custom data you have. For now, I will just add their name with some text. Once you're done personalizing, click on Save. Now let's move to the third and final step. We need a Google Sheet with targeted user data. Let's head on to LinkedIn and let me show you how to find your target audience. You could simply type in your keyword to find people on LinkedIn. Like in my case, entrepreneurs is one of the segments that I target, so I can search for founders. Now we can see LinkedIn has about 4 million founders to show me. To be more specific, we could use these filters like locations, companies, industries, etc. Like I'll choose the marketing and advertising industry as that is most relevant for me. We can only send a message to our first degree connections, that are people who are directly connected with us. I will show you how to do that using this phantom which says LinkedIn message sender. You can also go for your second and third degree connections. You can send them a connection request along with a short message. You can use this phantom for it which says LinkedIn Network Booster, automatically send invitations and connect to a list of LinkedIn users with a personalized message. For now, I will only send messages to my first degree connections. Before we can send messages to them, we need to scrape their profile information. So once your targeting is done, just copy the LinkedIn URL and head on to Phantom Buster. Search for a phantom called LinkedIn Search Exporter and click on Use this phantom. You can always use any one phantom for free. Now it will ask for your LinkedIn session cookie. Install the Phantom Buster Chrome extension and then click on Connect to LinkedIn. Hit save, then paste the URL of your LinkedIn search that I told you to copy. Under behavior settings, we don't need to change the default settings, so I'll just click on save. Then we'll do a manual launch for now. We don't need any notifications. I will hit save. Then click on launch. Once it is finished, copy the link of the results file. Open a Google Sheet to import the data here. We will use a formula for it. So in the first cell, I will type in equals to import data, bracket, quotes, and then paste the link that we just copied. Close the quotes, close the bracket, and hit enter. This much data is actually enough for me for now, but we could enrich our data more by using other phantoms like LinkedIn Profile Scraper. Now let's move forward and connect this Google Sheet with HyperEyes. Let's make the sheet public first and copy the link. Go to the image you created in HyperEyes and click on Integrations. Then click on Add and search for Google Sheets. Click on any new sheet and log in with your account. Paste the link of your Google Sheet. Then check Google Sheets modified date. This will make sure if you edit something in your Google Sheet, it will reflect in HyperEyes. Then click the columns you want to merge, like I only want the first name and the profile picture for now. Then I'll click on save. Now let's test if the personalization is working. So in the search bar, put your landing page followed by /UTM_hype equals to, then a number which you will find in your HyperEyes account. Click on Google Sheet, copy your link and paste it in a notepad. Then copy the number after sheet hyphen and paste it at the end of your landing page, followed by a underscore and a row number that you want to call from Google Sheet. Like if I put 2 here, I will pull the data from the second row in my Google Sheet. We can see the personalization seems to be working fine. You can find the entire syntax for this link on my blog. Now let's move to the last part and set up our automation for sending messages. Let's use this phantom called LinkedIn Message Sender. Click on Connect to LinkedIn, hit save, then paste the public link of Google spreadsheet that we created. Type in your message. You can use custom tags in the message, as in embed any data that is present in your Google Sheet. Like you see here, I've embedded their first name. Then we also need to insert the personalized link. For that we can put #HyperEyes hashtag. The link that goes in the message will generate a preview image using OG tags. Now we must create a column in our Google Sheet so that this can work. Let's give it the same name, HyperEyes, and paste the link that I showed you how to create. Since this is row 2, I will have 2 in the end. Now hold on to the blue mark from the bottom right of this cell and drag it for Google to automatically add numbers. Done. Now let's go back on Phantom Buster. Enter the column name where profile URLs are stored. In our case, it's called URL. Hit save. Number of profiles to send per launch. For now, I'll just put 5. You can create a message sequence, which I actually recommend you to do. Ask them a personalized question first and then go for your sales or your call to action message. Click on save. We don't need any email discovery, so again just click on save. Then launch the Phantom. It'll start working. Let me show you my LinkedIn message section so you can see the personalized messages being sent. Isn't this amazing? That'll be all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Also, let me know what other topics do you guys want me to cover. I teach such cool and effective skills in my courses. Join the webinar to know more about it. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.